Okay, so we have checked into the Crowne Plaza in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. As soon as you walk in, this is the closet. Okay. Now, on the other side, you have the bathroom. See, they don't give you as much as some of the other hotels, but it's clean, it's decent. Okay, you have the full-length mirror there. You have regular coffee maker, ice machine. These two drawers. Let's see if it should be a refrigerator. That's what I thought. Let's see if it's stocked. It isn't. It's completely empty. That's okay. We're only going to be here for one night anyway. So this is the desk that they have here, the lamp, the chair, AC, and I'm believe this is like a king size bed in the room. We came in kind of early, so you know when you come in early you don't always get the best. It's about 11 o'clock. This is our view, which really isn't much. Let me just tell you about COVID and what the difference is. Even though the site may say they have a shuttle service, they stopped the shuttle service because of COVID. So they don't have that anymore. However, they do have taxi service, or Uber and Lyft does pick up here. It is conveniently located. It's 5 blocks from the train station, Amtrak to be exact. And of course there's buses going up and down the place. It does have a gym, gymnasium. There is a restaurant. Breakfast is not included. There's no microwave in here. However, there is a microwave in the lobby that everybody can use. So for that, it's not bad for budget accommodations. So guys, that's all I have for you for now as far as places that you may want to stay around the USA and abroad. Bye.